Hey, what's going on, y'all? Steve Peterson here, back sheltered in place, but I wanted to talk to you about a major price reduction we've got on my listing at 3823 MacArthur Boulevard. We are dropping the price from $1.99 million to $995,000. That's over $200,000 price reduction on this 3,600 square foot retail property in the heart of the Laurel District in Oakland. Okay, and if you are an entrepreneur, you want to take advantage of this large price reduction because the SBA has very favorable financing for you at very low interest rates. So if you're a business owner, you got an essential business, this is your opportunity to grab some prime commercial real estate at a discount. Click the link below to watch the full video tour where you can see every square inch of this property. Let's make a deal.